Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video in the View Talk Tour. And yes, we got one more for you people. We got a paid watch face coming up for you all that you need to check out. Cool? With that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's kick off this review. Now, the developer got down on this watch face, right? I like it. It's a super casual, dress down watch face. And with this one, you will get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. Now, the name of the watch face is called NeWa, N-E-W-A. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, check me in the comment section down below. Now, in the AOD mode, I like this look. It's really blacked out for the most part. You get a little color with it, but it's gonna look nice so far as the casual wear is concerned. Now, when the watch face is on, you get a traditional look so far as analog time is concerned / modern, and also you're gonna get your digital time in this window down at the bottom. But let's take a look at the watch face. First of all, you get your numbers for the most part so far as analog is concerned. Again, your digital time is down at the bottom. You're gonna get your step info in that window, miles walked or ran, and your heart rate along with the date right here. You're gonna get a couple of dials. Now, these dials are only gonna give you your status so far as your information for your battery and also your step status so far as your goal completed is concerned. Now, I do like the stylish look of the analog hands. They do look slightly premium, and also you get a nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now, you can customize the theme of this watch face, and we're about to check that out right now, which makes this watch face definitely a download, especially considering that the watch face is free. So if I want to customize the color theme, I just single tap, and I can change the color theme on both sides at the top. Now, if I want to change the color theme of the window, I can single tap till I get to the color I want, and I can mix and match however I see fit. Now, you can also do the same thing with your status information for your battery and also your step status. You customize it however you see fit. Now, I thought this was a good look for a casual dress down watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.